change to the program. We'll now invite Palei's partner and family to come to Aggy. This is your time now, please.
Hi everyone, my name's Aggy Faraimo and I'm Palei's partner. First of all, I just want to thank God for bringing you here today safely in this bad weather. I'm thankful that you guys are here to show all your love and support for Palei. I met Palei in 2011 at NZI's. Very handsome man, very cheeky, loving, and funny. He could joke, and I'm sure everyone knows that. For me, I think I was blessed. I was the one who was blessed to get into his two children. We have a 5-year-old, Naenae, and then we have a 2-year-old, Rita. 2012, Naenae was born, and for BAH, like, you know, as a mother, you're just over carrying the child. You just want to hurry up. But for BAH, he was more excited than anything. In Palei's family, his siblings, his older sister is Naenae. She is the queen of all queens in their family. And so us all who knows her, I already knew straight away once I knew it was a girl that her name was going to be Naenae. Rita was born 2014, and BAH was really happy that he had a boy. So we got one of each. With the kids, he was such a proud dad, such a playful dad, loved taking them to like playgrounds and stuff. But was more boastful about the daughter. Just this year, he went over to Tonga to help his parents build their home in Sopu. And so we missed, he went for like maybe just under a month. And seeing him or hearing his stories about how he built the whole foundation of it all, he was proud, He was really, really proud to be able to help his parents. Especially to be there with his mom and his dad's little island. And he came back and he said, Aggy, this year we're going to settle right down. He's helped divide all of the property and stuff. And then we had our own little space just for our kids. But it was up to us. And there was something that I really look forward to. Palei was an awesome athlete. He was really good at sports. I was probably his biggest critic in the league, but his biggest supporter at the same time. He could play any sport and be so happy on the court, or be so cocky on the court. But off the court and off the field, he was so humble, man. I don't know anyone who can go have a big fight on the field and he'd go be their best friend after. I don't know, probably just scared or something, I don't know what it was. But that was just something. Long story short, 2nd of July, 2017, basically everything just changed. I was telling his family that usually when Papa comes home, he taps on our window, like, really hours in the morning, coming from my club. And I heard it. So I opened up the curtains, and he wasn't there. And I had assumed, okay, he must be there, was sleeping in the kids' room. Went to the kids' room, no one was there. I said, oh yeah, I'm just hearing things. I was hearing things. 8 o'clock that morning, again, called my door. This was the police. Asking if I was Pa's partner and stuff. And I said, yep, I am. You know, what has he done this time? Has he done wrong? He said, Pa's been in an accident. And I said, okay, well, how bad is it? Where is he? Where can I find him? And he told me, he's passed away. And I slammed the door because I was angry that I had to wake up to speak like that. And he knocks again. I open the door. He says, I'm sorry. And I slammed the door again. And I knocks again. I open again. I said, don't tell me nothing. Police have been confirmed. And he said, it all happened at the scene. So I picked everything up. Got my son, went to the hospital. But the night before that was his sister's daughter's third birthday. And me and the sister were on the talk spirit of TikTok, you know, come with the kids and bar. And I was like, oh yeah, I'm keen for it. And then that day, me and Bar had like a little disagreement because, long story short, anyways, had a little disagreement and he told said, nah, I don't want Aggy to come. And I was like, yes, we all good, I'll just pick up the kids. Because her partner was coming to get them. As soon as they left, he calls me. Oh, Aggy, has Junior gone? And I went, oh, so you want me to come now? You missed me. And that was it. That was the last time I ever heard from him. At this stage, it's just, I've tried to be brave because we have kids together and our son has no clue. All he knows is that his dad is having a really long sleep and when is his dad going to wake up? And our daughter, I've tried to explain so hard to her about what has happened. And at the age of 5, she answers, is the man going to go to jail for being naughty? And I don't even know what to tell her. Just, honestly, long story short, because I could honestly go on forever. But I'd like to just share this whole night with everyone else. I want to hear about our relationship wasn't perfect, but it was love. Since 2011, we still came back to each other. For the good and the bad, we honestly had each other's backs. Like we were boys, he was my partner, but at the same time, like friends. Just want to take this time to thank Naenae and Godblessyou for taking care of me and our kids. Especially this time. I don't think I've ever needed you more than I have. Just the past few weeks. But love his parents. If I would argue, he would go to the parents' house. He would disagree with his parents, he would come back. And it was just something that I couldn't, I couldn't stop. Because that was just him. His love was just way too strong for his family. Especially his mum and dad. To my parents, my dad couldn't be here tonight just because it's a bit cold for him, but thank yous to my family, kids, my sisters, thank yous for loving his father and accepting him for who he was. At times I knew he was a sinner, but he loved us. Sione, Sione. I pray for nothing but blessings upon you. I pray you live the happiest life. I pray you live a really happy life with your wives, with your kids to come, and with your boys coming. I don't wish nothing bad upon you. Everyone else, let this be a lesson. Let this be a lesson to go and find yourself a sober driver. You do not want to have to do this, and it's not the best feeling. I pray nothing but love and blessings upon you all. Thank you.
We're going to be